Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Are you a member of this family? If not, hit that subscriber button right now and become part of the family. Guys, here is a clue about what today's video is all about. Now, I've had 6 kids. Yes, 6 kids, and so I've seen my fair share of baby monitors. You get baby monitors and you get baby monitors. And truth be told, we get sent a lot of products from all over the world. People asking us, please can you review our product? Please can you check it out? I've got a closet full of baby monitors that never make it onto this channel because they're just no good. I found something that's fantastic, good quality, and today I'm going to share it with you. Stay tuned for more. Okay, so today we're talking about the Bebcare Motion Digital Video Baby Monitor. Now, Bebcare has been around for 25 years, and you can find them on 5 different continents, and over 3 million parents are enjoying their products. So they've been around, they have that experience, and they've got all that research and fantastic design to back up their products. What's more than that, they have won so many awards. Check these out. So you're probably wondering, well, what makes their monitors so special? Well, they release 90% lower wireless emissions. Now think about it. These things communicate with each other. They're monitoring your baby, and there are emissions that are happening. In idle state, it's like 0 for this monitor. If you're a parent like me, you love baby gadgets. But more than that, I like to know what everything does, and I like to learn about the features. So I'm going to go through some of these features with you and tell you why I like them and why, having tried so many baby monitors in the past, this feature is important for me. So first off, the monitor has a 4.3-inch true color screen. Now, why I like this particular one is that it's super sharp. I've had baby monitors before that are so pixelated that really you can't even make out what is going on in the room. Now, I use my baby monitors not only for my baby, but also for my toddlers, just to keep an eye on them because they are a handful. And that's where you want to see the detail, like what are they holding, what are they throwing, what are they sticking up their brother's nose? You know what I'm saying? Now, the camera is a 360-degree full tilt and pan camera. That is so important, especially if you have a large house or large room. You're wanting to see exactly what's going on around the room, especially when baby starts moving. You can look right down below and see, okay, that's what's going on, or you can look right out, almost out the door to see, okay, they've just left the room. Okay, what we need to get up now and go check out baby. I love having a 360-degree view. You could even put it in the middle of a room or on the top of the baby's dresser, and you can have full control. You control it from the parent unit. Now, something important to mention about this camera is that there is a 0 delay in the video feed. I've had a baby monitor before that I waited sometimes like 3 seconds, and by that time disaster has struck. You know, as things are happening, so you're seeing them. And the great thing is the wireless is strong. It has a range of 2,000 feet. Now that means you could have the biggest house in the world and you're still going to see exactly what's going on with your baby or your children, and you're going to see it instantly. Another feature I love about the Bebcare monitor is that it has an 18-hour battery lifespan. Now think about it. Power failures happen. And when that happens, you want to make sure that you still have eyes on your little one. Now, 18 hours, trust me, no power failure is going to last 18 hours. Well, at least it shouldn't, right? And so you're still covered and you're still protected. What's more, you can take this with you. Just think about it. You could go camping, or you could do something like that where you don't have access to power and you're still going to have use of your baby monitor. That's really great, especially for parents that are on the go. It has a usual DC input for both monitor and camera, and so it's easy to charge as well with a power outlet. Now, something I really value about this monitor is the super clear automatic infrared night vision. Now, night vision is important because that's also when we're wanting to keep an eye on baby, right? Whether you sleep in the same room as your baby, or in most cases your baby is sleeping in the nursery, it's mostly at night time or when it's quite dark in their room that we're wanting to keep an eye on them. And you want to have crystal clear vision of what is going on with your baby. Now, I've had too many monitors before where night vision, they say they've got night vision, but really is it night vision because it is so pixelated you can't make out what is going on. The camera is just no good. Not with the Bebcare baby monitor. You will see crystal clear picture of what is happening with your baby. And the greatest thing of that is that it's automatic. So as baby starts moving, or as baby cries, so then it activates. So it's not going to be disturbing you throughout the whole night as well. As baby's moving or as baby starts crying, it activates. You take a look over if you're sleeping, and yes, you can see what the situation is with your baby. Really convenient. They've really thought of everything. What's even better is it works with the Bebcare Mat breathing sensor. So if there's any abnormal breathing coming from baby, it will pick it up and it will alert you. Now just think of the peace of mind that that's going to give you. How many times as parents do we get up in the night to check, oh, is baby still breathing? Or you know, she made a cough sound, or as I did it even last night. Baby made like a gurgling sound. I'm like, oh, is she still breathing? Is something wrong? Running up to, you know, baby to check. Something like this just takes care of that problem, guys. You don't need to worry. You can say, yes, baby's still breathing. Everything is still all right. Now, some of you might be wondering, what is my favorite feature about this baby monitor? And that's got to be the super baby tracking feature. Now, I've had a lot of monitors, as I mentioned, and none of them had that feature. And that is, this camera actually tracks your baby or toddler as they move across the room. It senses pickup movement and it will focus in on that and actually follow. So the little camera ball will actually follow baby as they cross the room. Now, isn't that just amazing? You're not going to have to go and from, you know, the parent unit, move the camera yourself. You can do that if you want, but this has the feature to follow baby. That's just fantastic. I love that. Another unique feature of this baby monitor is that it has a feeding alarm. This baby monitor will even tell you, hey, it's time to feed baby. So if you're like me and you get really busy editing videos and doing what you do, bing, 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 guys, sometimes we need a reminder, right? This thing will tell you, hey, you know what? Your baby's hungry. It's time to feed baby. Another feature I know is just going to knock your socks off is the voice activated screen on the parent unit. Yes, it's voice activated. So you know the clap on, clap off? Guys, this thing comes on and switches off with your voice. Now, that's just marvelous. At nighttime, you're not even wanting to press buttons. You're tired. But if you say, hey, switch on, boom, it's there and it's showing you exactly what you want to see. What's even better than that is that it has music lullabies and voice activated nightlight. Now, my toddlers need a nightlight to sleep every night, but I don't necessarily want to go to their room to switch it on. I can use my voice activation to switch it on right from the parent unit. I mean, this is just fantastic. Now, a feature that I have seen in other baby monitors is the temperature alert system. And that basically alerts you if the temperature is too high in the room or the temperature is too low. A common question that most parents ask when investing in a baby monitor is this a standalone camera and monitor system? Or can other cameras be added to the parent unit to the monitor? And in this case, with this Bebcare baby monitor, you can add 4 cameras. Now think about that. That's pretty clever because this has that baby tracking feature. So if baby leaves, say, the nursery and then enters the passageway and then goes to the kitchen or to the living room, you can have a camera in every single room tracking baby wherever they go, like a big brother situation, right? And you're going to have a split screen here on your monitor where you can see 2 different screens at the same time, showing you exactly what baby's getting up to. Another fantastic feature. And then, of course, there is that important out of range feature, which alerts you if you've gone out of range and cannot keep track of baby anymore. Guys, this is a fantastic monitor. Like I said, there are so many monitors out on the market, and you've got to make the wisest choice with the information that you are given. This really ticks all the boxes. It has some of the most incredible features. For me, it's important that it is simple to understand, because some baby monitors, you need a manual just to go through to understand. This is super simple, but it doesn't compromise on all the fancy features as well. I love the graphics. For me, that's important, working with videos and editing and stuff. The graphics is excellent. It's not pixelated. Perfect night vision. Really, that baby tracking feature, that's just marvelous. It takes all the work out of you constantly having to track them yourself, right? Really great, fantastic 360-degree panning and tilt. Perfect for parents who are wanting to make an investment in a good quality camera with a fantastic reputation behind them. I'm going to leave more information down below on where you can buy something like this and check out the price. Really priced very well, and please look at those reviews. You'll see they're pretty impressive. Guys, while you're here, go check out this video. I think you'll enjoy it.